Ever wondered how to make the perfect old-fashioned? Well, listen up. I'm here with Kayla from Angel's Envy Kentucky Straight Bourbon Whiskey, and today she's going to show me the secret behind the world's most iconic cocktail. Kayla, what have we got here?
So we've got a few ingredients, nothing too crazy. Of course, Angel's Envy Port Finish Bourbon. We have an orange for garnish. We have some sugar syrup, bitters, and most importantly, ice.
All right, cool. Well, let's crack into it.
Absolutely, let's go. So you have to have your mixing glass.
Yep.
A good old-fashioned is always 60 mils of bourbon.
Okay.
So if you've got a normal standard jigger, it's normally the big side. Let's do 2.
Okay, cool.
Why not?
There's a reason why old-fashions are always made with bourbon?
I think most classic whiskey cocktails are made with rye whiskey.
Okay, cool.
And that's because at the time, pre-Prohibition, rye whiskey was the most drunk whiskey in America. It was after Prohibition, when subsidies for growing corn came in, that people started drinking bourbon, corn whiskey, rather than a rye whiskey. So traditionally, everything probably would have been made on rye.
Okay.
But I think our palates have changed, that we like something a little bit sweeter, a bit less spicy. So bourbon is now definitely the hero of most like whiskey sours and old fashions and that kind of stuff.
Makes sense.
So 10 mils of sugar syrup and then a little bit of Angostura bitters.
Okay.
I do 2 dashes per drink.
Is that scientific or that's just
That's like a feeling, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, nothing too
It's just a vibe,
scientific.
yeah.
It's a vibe, you know?
Yeah.
After that, it's very simply, it's ice and stir.
Easy.
Yeah. So we have our ice here. I like to fill ice all the way up to the mixing glass.
Okay.
I think the more ice that's in it, the colder it's going to get. Again, not sure if that's scientific or just my own thoughts. And then you're just stirring it. You're not stirring to overly dilute, you're definitely stirring to chill it, essentially. Take the edge off a little bit. So it doesn't need a super long stir. That's probably pretty good. I'll use these glasses.
Yeah, go for it.
Perfect. I like to ice first. And then just straining it in.
That's pretty simple.
Yes.
It feels like it's almost too simple to stuff up, but I feel like that's maybe wrong.
Do you know what? It all comes down to the stir.
Okay.
A 3-ingredient cocktail, an old-fashioned, a martini, anything like that, a Sazerac, it comes down to the dilution and, of course, what liquid you're using. If it's a good liquid, hopefully it turns out pretty good.
And, of course, the mixologist.
Yeah, you know. Your garnish is pretty simple as well. Just an orange twist. I like to express over the top. Get a little bit of those oils out and whack it in. And same with the second.
Fantastic.
Easy peasy.
Easy done. I feel like we should drink them now.
Yeah, cheers.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.
Love it. Thanks very much, Kayla. Appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.
I feel like everyone can figure it out now.
You're now an expert.
Love it. Love your work. Thanks very much, guys.